In previous class, I already did Walt Disney questions poems. So now I am doing the questions for these two chapters. First, Walt Disney. Fill in the blanks. Walt full name was Walter Elias Disney. Walt was born in 1901 in Chicago. Walt showed great interest in drawing and painting. Walt created Oswald the rabbit. At first, Walt wanted to name Mickey Mouse as Mortimer. Next, tick the correct answer. Disney mother and father were a school teacher and a carpenter. Disney's first job was a newspaper boy. The first cartoon to be made fully in color was Flowers and Trees. The name of Disney's first company was Graham Films. The first Disneyland opened in 1955. Right, true or false? Disney was born in a rich family. False. Walt made extra money by selling drawings to neighbors. True. Working as a newspaper boy taught Walt certain discipline. True. Walt wanted to become a newspaper cartoonist. True. The Red Cross ambulance was covered with Disney cartoons. True. Write the answer in a few sentences. Why was Disney rejected by the military and what did he do during the war to serve his country? He was rejected by the military because he was undergoes. So he worked as an ambulance driver for the American Red Cross. What was the name of the company that Disney first opened and with whom did he work? His first company was Graham Films. He worked with his friends at the name City Films. Cannon's City Film Ad Company include UB Iwerks, the great animator of his time. What new technique did Disney learn during the Second World War? During the Second World War, he learnt a new technique of mixing live action with cartoons. D. Who was Mickey Mouse? How did he shoot to fame? The famous Mickey Mouse character was created in 1927 and in the same year sound was added to movies. With the addition of sound to animated cartoons, Mickey Mouse shot to fame. Next, circle the words with British spellings. Armor, analog, caliber, savior, lust. Next, the British spelling of some words are given below. Write their American spelling in the blanks. Behavior, behavior. Next, favorite, favorite. U1 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈಬರ್, ಫೈಬರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ER ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಾಂಬರ್, ಸಾಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಾಗ್, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಾಗ್. Next, circle the words with the correct spelling. Brief, decent, chief, thief, field. Next, change the following into reported speech. Farhana said, I am painting a picture. Farhana said that she was painting a picture. The gardener said, what are defining thunder? The gardener said that the thunder was defining. Are you going to eat or not? Asked my brother. My brother asked whether I was going to eat or not. The other girls had already left, said Nancy. Nancy said that the other girls had already left. Stop giggling, said Radhika. Radhika told me to stop giggling. Change these sentences into direct speech. Jane told Alima to be watchful. Jane said to Alima, be watchful. Saba asked her grandpa to tell a story. Saba asked her grandpa tell a story. Sainath had always wanted to become a singer. Sainath said, I have always wanted to become a singer. Uncle and aunt said that they would reach Kochi the next day. Uncle and aunt said we would reach Kochi the next day. Mom told my brother Arjun to go to bed. Mom said to my brother Arjun, go to bed. Find out the words in which double E and EA have the I sound. List them in the box. See, feed, need, heat, meet, cheat. Next questions poem. Complete the lines of the poem. Why? Who can say why? See this para up to here to give us a clue. Why was it so? Here you have to write the answer in a few sentences. What are the questions being asked in the first stanza of the poem? Some of the questions being asked are: how did everything in the world emerged? How did the transformation happen from the initial stages of life till now? When did the entire change evolve, and so on? Next, name the mighty beast that has turned into a fossil dinosaur. What are the facts about our ancestors that we do not know for sure? The fact about how our ancestors turned into men remains unknown to us. List any two questions whose answers are not known by us. Where do we come from and where do we go? Who is responsible for the whole show? Okay. These two chapters comes to your unit test. So you have to prepare for these two chapters, and I will announce the timetable very soon. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.